Good morning, friends. Today we are going to discuss about the communications skill. You know, communications skill is very important if you are working, if you are a good positions of work as a leadership. Communications must be well comfortable and well knowledgeable how to improve your communications skill and your workplace. So guys, if you know that someone's failed to due to poor communication system or poor communications knowledge at workplace, someone you know that observe that someone communication is very voice and very norms and very aggressive communications. If you are communicate to others person, that may be also of impact of toward the successful of your careers. So guys, today we have discussed about the communications, how many types communications to aggressively to progressively improvement your careers in our any fields related the business related the jobs, because of communication is very more strong to develop your careers and develop your business while you are going to improve your communication system. Communications inquires where you are not getting this unless the you have serious work on the your listening. If you are going to uh, talk with other persons, then more and more listening communications and improve your communication system. Communications to informations, this supporting capability that play to key role here, whether the person's details else and fact the orientations act. If you are going to inform someone, suppose that we are going to informations passing to others person, then proper and clearly sound to clear informations to other persons, so who they have understand your communication system. So this can be also improvement, and unless the your or capability that key role and supporting whether the communication skill improvement your workplace. Communications to educate, this is also a good communication system. If you are going to communicate to other persons, then need to be considered to by communications how to educate the persons in front of persons who between the communications with other persons, and the under the understood the communications and what will be learn and educate by communication system. Someone also speak to other persons by some mistakes, by unparliament words using during the communication system. So this is not perfect to better communications. So guys, we have to implement that communications. If you are going to communicate to other person, need to be educate them. After that, that is also part of leadership. If you have working a good positions, good organization, then communication system also improve in your organization. Communications to motivate, if you are going to communicate to someone, also motivate the communications, because of very preserve and inspire to the your communications. If you are communicate to other persons, also humble to able to communicate to other persons and motivate by communications. If you are going to any instructions given to other persons, then very loudly, then they cannot understand, they can also dislike your communication system. So communicate to motivate those who are not inspired to by others happiness, those who are not inspired to the others happiness, the enjoyment struggle to get right. If you are going to communicate to others persons, also the persons will be hypness your communication system. Some motivate to by communication. You are a good job. You are a doing well done work. So that persons also inspired to your communication. So guys, communications loudly and well communicate with the motivate to others persons. Communications to inspire. A leader who have not established a human bonded trust and persons that seriously he inspired to fighting and battle they have already conversely he, when you look your role and role models. So guys, and communications to inspire to others person. If you have a leadership, then also talk with other persons in trainings, in meetings and others scenario. They can also inspire to the other persons. Because of this is a strong communications also always improve your leadership, you improve your careers, improve your productivity, improve your work cultures, also motivate your subordinate staffs. So communications influence, communicate to influence. If you are going to anyone's discuss, then some persons also not loudly, some mistake sound, some listening problems, some communication understanding problems. So communicate to others persons. If you are going to discuss communicate others persons, then influence communicate. Leader who have accountability. If someone fail to, if someone fail to, suppose that I am a safety manager also looking the project, then our team subordinate, if anyone fail to achievement any target, that can need to be influenced how to fail and support them. If your junior, if your any subordinate staff fail to achievement any target, then as a responsible, as a leadership, then improve your influence to work and how to improve and motivate that. That is also a leadership participation, leadership quality of work. Communication is clearly. If you are going to communicate to other persons, keep clear communications. If we need to some task, we need to complete that task, clear communicate. This is a problems we can achieve, we can control it, how to we will improve that works. So clear communication should be passed to other persons, so they have understand your communication, then we can product you can do the better teamwork and job. After the communication consoles communication to unfortunately leaders have never been able to imbibe to value and genuinely caring for the someone's low points. Often the address capability rare by learner. If you are going to do someone's focus on lose point, if subordinate some mistakes, then leadership also focusing on lose point. So this is a good. But if you are any things any other subordinate to fail and some problems, then proactively improvement and console the by communication system. Communications conveyance. If you are going to communicate to someone, suppose that I want to some requirements, so we want to some change in our organization, then how to convince to others persons, how to convince your directors, your managers, so that can comes in your track. Suppose that I am also facing the problems. If you are going to communicate someone ignorance, so how to communicate and how to convince to others persons. If you want to some big challenges work, some new motivations, new idea, then how to convince to others persons. This is also skilled as a leadership if you are working in any organization. So guys, communications also part of work, or a well communication system make a strong leadership and strong knowledge if you are going to communicate to someone's other person. If everyone not a very well persons to communicate proper, but you are trying to communicate clearly, loudly, influently, clarity and information properly. If you are going to communicate other persons, educate them by communication system and inspire to others persons and inquire to others persons if you are communicating system at your workplace. Thanks for watching my video. Thanks.